Welcome crafters to this Turkey Lollipop Holder Plus tutorial. We're going to make this cute little turkey lollipop holder and find a couple other uses for it as well. So let's get started. Okay, I've gone ahead and cut out the three pieces that we needed on the Cricut. We've got the backing, which is the red cardstock or the feathers, and then we've got the yellow and brown sections, the brown being the face of the turkey, and then the yellow being the middle. So we're going to glue the brown and the yellow together and place it on back of the red cardstock. Okay, simple enough. Now that we have all three pieces glued together, we're going to go ahead and bend the scored areas down here. And go ahead and add our lollipop, like so. And then on the inside, at the top of where the two little feathers are, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of glue there. And push the two sides together and we have our lollipop holder complete. What a fun project that was. Okay, we've made 2 additional copies of the turkey cutout. We thought this would also be useful as a napkin holder for any kind of a holiday Thanksgiving event. The third cutout we modified a little bit and made a placeholder out of, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make that modification in Design Space. So we're going to go to Design Space to Projects and pull up the Turkey Lollipop Holder, and we're going to customize. Okay, if you've got that up on your screen now, what we're going to need to do is ungroup the file because it is grouped together. So you're going to go ahead and go to your ungroup, and then you can pull apart the individual pieces. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a circle where the cutout is and weld those together. I'm going to enlarge my screen just a little bit so y'all can see a little bit better down in the bottom left hand corner. And then I'm going to select my brown turkey. I'm going to move them over a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and grab a shape, which will be a circle. And I'm going to reduce the size of that circle just a little bit, make it just a little bit bigger than the circle on the brown turkey. I'm going to place it over the top. Okay, before we go any further, we're going to have to turn off the pen, which controls the eyes and the inside feathers. So we're going to click on the eye next to the pen, and that'll turn that off. Go ahead and select both the turkey and the circle, and click the weld button, and they weld together. So you'll see now to the right that the weld result is the top file. We're going to take the pen and move that to the top file, and remove the check mark off of the eye so that you can see it. And we're going to go ahead and group that all together. And then go down to the bottom and click the paper clip to attach. Okay, we're going to repeat the same steps by filling in the circle for the remaining files. And I'm going to fast forward through this video, and then we'll finish the rest. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and find a placeholder name by scrolling through the fonts. And the font that I ended up picking was DTC Honeymoon. We're going to go ahead and type in the name of the person that we would like to use, and then change the style to writing, reduce the size, and place that right there in the middle of the turkey Go to Align, Center Horizontally, then to Group, and then Attach. Click the green makeup button to take you to your cutting projects, and you will see here that the words are on the turkey and you are ready to go ahead and cut and draw. There you have it, crafters. 3 possible projects in one: the lollipop holder, the napkin holder, and the place card holder. I hope you all enjoyed this project and hope to see you back again for another one soon.